Hello friends, today I have come with an interesting and legendary story. Most of the viewers are aware of this story, but then also I'm going to narrate it to you, but you have to promise me to stick in this video till the very end. Otherwise, who will rectify my mistakes if I make? And this way, you will get practice of listening and I'll get practice of speaking. So, without any further ado, let's deep dive into this video. So friends, today I'm going to narrate you a story of Holi and Holika Dahan. So, as you know, we celebrate Holi on Falguni Purnima every year, and every states of India celebrates Holi. Holi is a colorful festival, and we smear Holi on each other, and it knows that smear color is a sign of love for each other, right? So we should celebrate Holi with the colors, but with careful. um, don't let colors get into eyes, ears, mouth, right? Indian are totally made if it comes to Holi Tyohar. So be careful and celebrate Holi, right? So friends, we celebrate Holi on Falguni Purnima. So friends, we celebrate Holika Dahan before one night before of Holi. As an old story, the story behind Holika Dahan comes from particularly legend of Prahlad and his father Hiranyakashipu. Hiranyakashipu was a powerful demon king, and he introduced himself as a god. He forced people to worship him instead of God. He had a boon that he could not be killed by any human, deity, or god, any animals, nor neither at night nor at day, neither in the sky nor on the earth, nor any weapon. That's why he became arrogant, and he started thinking himself God. But the Prahlad, who was the son of Hiranyakashipu, he was a big devotee of Bhagwan Vishnu. Hiranyakashipu tried a lot to change his devotion, but the more Hiranyakashipu tried to change his devotion, Prahlad's devotion towards Bhagwan Vishnu kept increased. Frustrated and fed up, Hiranyakashipu decided to kill his son at last. Hiranyakashipu sought help from his sister. His sister Holika had a boon. She was unharmed by fire. Fire did not affect her. That's why she played a trick on Prahlad. She made Prahlad to sit on her lap and then got into the fire. But This time also Bhagwan Vishnu protected his devotee. Because Holika misused her boon, her boon failed, and she was burned to ashes. Furious, Hiranyakashipu tried again and after that, furious Hiranyakashipu tried again and again to kill Prahlad. Later, but he failed. Furious Hiranyakashipu tried. After that, furious Hiranyakashipu tried a lot to kill Prahlad, but he failed each time. Later, Bhagwan Vishnu appeared as a Narsimha, half man and half lion, and he killed Hiranyakashipu. So friends, Holika Dahan symbolizes triumph, righteousness over wickedness, right? Friends, I have used some difficult words in this story because I need to improve my vocabulary. That's why I hope you liked this story and you have learned new vocabulary from this story. So friends, I know I make many mistakes while making video, but I know you support me always, because just because of your love and support, I have come so far here. So keep supporting, keep learning. Bye.